My Community in Words and Pictures of Broomall, Pennsylvania by Sheila Hare. Broomall is a small town located in Delaware County, and it also shares a township with Newtown Square, so they are called Marple Newtown Township. The population demographic for Broomall is 10,883. That was last done in 2017. That was the population. The gender demographics, it's 51.3% female, which is also 5,588 people. And the male is 48.7%, or 5,295 people. So the women outweigh the men a little bit. The race demographics, 88.4 or 9,619 people are white. 3.4 or 373 people are Black or African American. 0.3 or 34 people are American Indian and Alaska Native. 8.9 or 969 people are Asian. 0.5 or 49 people are Native Hawaiian and other Pacific Islander. And then other race is 1.5% or 159 people. The age demographics are as follows. So the biggest that we see is the 45 to 54-year-old people, which is 16.3%, or 1,771. And then the smallest is 85 years or older at 2.8%, or 301. The quality of life in Broomall is 15 per 1,000 residents is the crime rate, and the poverty rate is 4.42, or living below the poverty rate. Religion, you can see that 64.5% of the people in Broomall are religious, with Catholicism taking over at 48.1%. The education in Broomall, Pennsylvania, it's the Marple Newtown School District, which is ranked 33rd in Pennsylvania. So they kind of share it with Newtown Square. Marple Newtown High School is the high school. Paxton Hollow is the only middle school. Then there's 3 elementary schools: Russell, Culbertson, Worrell. And then there is Delaware County Community College, which is on the border of Broomall and another town called Media. The institutions in Broomall are Paxton Hollow Country Club, which is just a golf club with a restaurant, which is a little on the newer side. The community college, which I mentioned. There is a brand new fire company that was built within the last year. So that was a lot of work and construction that was being done. Then there's also the Thomas Macy House, which is just an old historic building. There's 2 churches in Broomall. There's St. Pius, which is the Catholic Church, and St. Luke Greek Orthodox Church. The one on the right is the Greek Orthodox Church, and every year they do a big fair. These are a few maps that I found of the community. And then, so the assessment, I think that it is a very safe place to live. The crime rate isn't that high. I also think that this could have something to do with the fact that the town is dry, meaning there's no bars or anything like that to really make the crime more. There's also a few shopping centers, and there's a lot of local businesses, which is a lot of the goods and services that are offered. There's a few restaurants and places for kids to go, like parks and stuff like that. There also is a lot of doctor's offices. There's no hospital, but there is an urgent care. I think that the relationships are on the good side as far as I know. It's all of Delaware County is a very tight-knit community. So I do think that people do have good relationships in Broomall. The commonality of values and goals, I think, is sometimes something that could be improved within the town. Just because a lot of people, right now, there's a thing to save the green space, which is a big controversy within the community. And they are building another big shopping center, which will help the city just because it'll have more places for people to go. And there's a new gas station that's being built, but it is causing a lot of congestion. I think that it is, even though it is primarily a white and Asian community, I think that people are treated as whole people. There doesn't seem to be much like fighting within the community. I think that the day-to-day relationships are pretty predictable within the community. Everyone is pretty close, and it's not like it's very different from Philadelphia, where you never really know what's going to happen. A recognized place in the social structure. I definitely think that it does have a good reputation of being a social community, and I definitely think it's recognized within Delaware County. There is definitely sufficient opportunities for growth and fulfillment, especially with the amount of businesses, and there's so many local businesses that have thrived, probably because of the close relationship that people have. And homogeneity, I would say that there is enough. There could be more diversity, but it's not like it's all. There is a mix of races, but I do think there is some diversity, but that is one thing that could be worked on. So, yep, that's Broomall. Thanks, guys.